just wanted to make a short video to do an opening of the Mega Bloks Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Out of the Shadows. Let's see what Donnie we have here. Okay, well, get right in this. Oh, come on. There we got not much to this, but I only picked it up for $4 at the Dollarama. So that's a decent price, I guess, for a fairly new set. Let's see what we got going here. So I mainly picked it up for the little light up brick that comes with it. I seen it had. And some of these characters are pretty neat looking. Okay, what do we got here? We have it shows you how to change the batteries in the unit. Okay, toss that off to the side. The little instructions out here. Not much to this guy since the figure's already assembled for us in this one. Let's see if we can get this little copter together. Okay. Let's see here. That, and that. That's pretty basic. Clip into it. Oh. Uh-oh. Find that and popping off flying off on me. Come on, get in there. There we go. There's that. And then we go this little clip here. And then this one goes like so. Go and get in there. And then that clips to here. So we'll just repeat that 4 times. Ooh, come on. It's a little difficult getting it in there. There we go. A little clip. Good little parts in here though. Might have to maybe pick up another one of these if I see them. Okay, clip that there. Come on. Get in there. Ugh. Finicky little parts. Oh, I'm going to have this little piece. And then there. Like so. That clips on there. So imagine this is a drone. That's what they're trying to get at for that, I guess. Get that in there. So I guess. Oh, that's a little loose. Whew. Okay. And that onto there. And we have this little thing goes on the front. So I'm not sure how this lights up. Might be the batteries are dead in them. And we got this little clip that'll go on the side. That's to stick in here, and then you stick it on here to make it look like it's flying. Okay, come here. Stick there. There we go. Okay, well, get this lens on here. We'll take a closer look at the figures. Come on. Okay, see. He's kind of cool looking. He's kind of neat looking. And Donnie. He's got this little backpack thing. Not sure what the holes are for. Not bad looking. wristband controller. I imagine that's for the drone. And we'll look at the drone here. So these things spin. Yeah, I'm not sure how that light. Oh, there it goes. It's lighting up now. You just have to tap it. And does a little flux thing there. Huh, that's neat. That's pretty cool. Decent little parts in there. All these can be adjusted to wherever you might like them. That's different. Not much to the set, but it's cool nevertheless. And yeah, that was my opening of the Bloks Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Out of the Shadows Donnie and his drone. And thanks for watching.